Hello, I'm TroNic, and I want to share with you my progress of making a new game. I think many of you like games like Minecraft, Terraria and other games of similar genre. Because their worlds are procedurally generated, they are always fun to explore, because you never know what awaits you around the next turn. And the next big thing is craft, when after spending hours of grinding resources, you finally can craft a powerful sword or armor. So I decided these mechanics will be the base of my game. With some knowledge of programming and Unity, I start to make it. Let's start from beginning. I started with creating a new 2D project and write a script to move around my character. For now it's just a white square, and later I will draw some graphic for him. Often, graphic into the games consists of so-called tiles. Because this is my first project in 2D, I spent some time to learn how to work with tiles. After watching a few videos on YouTube and drawing my own tiles, these basic tiles, one for water and other for ground, now after I can put them manually, I start thinking how to put them through the code. I wrote this script which generates 2D array with random zeros and ones, and after my map generator set tiles on tilemaps depending on number in array. Using this script I can set width and height of map and percent of water, and by pressing G generate new map. In my game I want to make some kind of procedurally generated islands, and let's agree, this mess don't look like what I wanted. To make this to work properly, need to make tiles to group with each other. Let's imagine this is map generator. Each filled tile is ground tile, non-filled is water. Need to make that each tile will check the neighbors, and if it has 4 or more ground tiles, it becomes ground 2. If less than 4, it becomes water. While I was thinking about how to implement this, I remembered one of the videos on Sebastian's channel. He makes something similar to generate case, but I find some part of code will help me with my problem. I copy some part of his code and redo it for me. And yes, if you are interested, I will leave all the links in the description below. Of course, I get some bugs, some of them was really interesting. Like this, which make my map look like maze. Finally, after a few fixes, it works properly. Next step, I decided to draw some graphics for my main character. I can't watch on this boring white square anymore. I draw this character, no collision for now and he can walk anywhere. Because my tiles will set through the code, I set up a package with some extension which will help me to easier work with tiles. To install it, you need to enter your project folder, open file and add this line to the end of file. Save, and after Unity recompile and you make it alright, you need to see that you can add a new tiles in 2D. The main thing I need is rule tile. I spent some time to draw these tiles for water, ground and shore between them. Now with help of rule tile from Unity extension package, I made this tile. Now I can easily set rules for this tile, and it will check its neighbors and automatically set itself depending on them. Really nice. I find that I miss some of variants of tiles, but I'm done with drawing for today. Let's make some animation for my character. I set up a skeleton on my character and now it's much easier to animate him. For now he has only 2 animations, one for running and second for attacking. and I add him a friend to test the attacks. How you see, his slimy friend is weirdo and doesn't do anything. I need to write some code to make him moving around. Not bad. I decided to increase the population of slimes and make them moving around randomly. And make some heat effect. I am feeling really bad doing this, but what won't you do for testing? I think slimes will be peaceful inhabitants of my islands and don't attack first. But still I need to make them ability to attack back if someone hurts them. I tried to set attack with animation, but it doesn't work well, because slime can only attack in two directions, left and right. How to make slimes attack all around with animation, I don't know. Had to Google a bit to find this piece of code, and it works greatly for me. Now slimes can attack in 360 direction and don't use animation. At the same time, I make slimes a little smarter by giving them for now 3 states of behavior. Idle, when they're just randomly moving around, chasing when someone attacks them, and attack when it nears the target. If the target is too far away from slime, he becomes idle. If you noticed, I draw some missing tiles variants, and turned out I need them much more than I expected. I have 23 different tiles and still missing many of them. Also, to make impossible to character walking on water, I separate tiles on 2 different tile maps and add collider to water one. That's all, don't forget to like and write a comment under the video. Thank you for watching.